Hi, Lou from Lou's Garden and Farm Equipment. I'm here to do another comparison between a couple companies with sickle bar mowers. That's the Casorzo, and this is on the 4-year-old machine. It's a 12R. The new machines are called a 15R, and there's some improvements on it, basically in the hand controls. They still have the same Subaru 9 horsepower engine, and the sickle bar here is a 42-inch single action. That means only one blade is moving, the other one below it is stationary. Now we're going to compare it to the Eurosystem, and this is a 7.5 horsepower. Yeah, that's the Eurosystem P70. All the attachments. And so the P70 with the double action, we're having it at special. So this machine out the door is $1775 Canadian, and just the way it is as you see it. Now this is a double action, so what it does is both blades are moving back and forth. So we're going to do a little bit of comparison. Now it's not a direct comparison because Casorzo does make a double action and Eurosystem does make a single action, but just to compare the two machines because we have them handy at the moment. Alright, so we're going to start with the Casorzo, and we'll go about 20 yards or so, then turn around and then do the Eurosystem. So that was the Casorzo. Get a taste of that. Does a pretty good job. So let's see, the Eurosystem. Oops. So again, this is a double action. So we'll engage the blade. I'll give you that. So now, really, I did have the Eurosystem a little low. I'm going to adjust those shoes and raise it up a bit because it was catching some of the ground a bit. You can see just starting to grab the ground a bit. It was a little too low cut. The Casorzo, of course, went through it. Some missed there. Some of the shortest stuff was missed, but otherwise, pretty good system. Now the Eurosystem, I have to give credit, it didn't miss anything. It pretty much cut whatever went through. That is not bad. Yeah, pretty much everything. So I'd have to give a little credit to the double action. It seemed to work a tad bit better. Yeah, pretty much everything. Whereas the single action, those bits here and there, like you can see right here, the short stuff, when it was short, it didn't quite grab it. So that's not bad comparison though. You know, if we're thinking about using these for haying, cut it down. It's been wet, so wet this year, kind of hard to do it. But you can see how wet everything is. But see, it's quite wet over here. Always when we're kind of ready to cut it down, it rains. But otherwise, it will work pretty good for that purpose. So we can do hay cutting along with, you know, brush cutting, and we'll give it a try for the hay and just pack it down loose and see how well that works. Anyway, for now, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.